Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the BISSELL CleanView Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about why this vacuum should be your next purchase. Not only does it have a sleek black, teal, and gray design, but every purchase of the BISSELL CleanView Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum helps to save pets. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets, so you can feel good about your purchase. But that's not all. This vacuum also features automatic cord rewind, making it easy to wrap the cord with just a press of a button. No more wrestling with tangled cords. Plus, with active extension wand, you can reach up to 10 feet to tackle messes in hard-to-reach spaces, making cleaning a breeze. And when it comes to cleaning power, the BISSELL CleanView Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum doesn't disappoint. With one-pass technology, it cleans carpet on the first pass, saving you time and effort. Plus, scatter-free technology captures messes on hard floors with less scatter, so you can enjoy spotless floors with ease. With a hose length of 8 feet, this vacuum gives you the flexibility you need to clean every nook and cranny of your home. So if you're ready to say goodbye to pet hair, dirt, and dust, click the link in the description to get your own BISSELL CleanView Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.